6:25 a.m. I'm so late. My shift starts at 6:30. Yes, 6:30. In 5 minutes. I have my matcha in a jar. Matcha in a jar. Because I don't have a mug or a cup. And my breakfast. So come join me for the rest of the week. And enjoy my vlog. Bye. No. Hi. Naglaba ko, guys. Hi guys, I'm home already. It's currently 3:30 p.m. My work starts at 6:30 and finishes at 3. So, ano to? Tagalog daw. Tagalog. Para daw maintindihan ng iba. Oh my God. Alam niyo na yun, guys. Sino? Ang hirap magtagalog, okay? Ang hirap magtagalog. Lalo na sa isang Bisaya na katulad ko. Hirap. But I'll try my best. Okay? I don't know para asan eh, pero I just love making videos, guys. For those who don't know, okay, inani na lang dirita mag-start. For those who don't know, yung ang trabaho ko po ay isang cook sa aged care. I only work 3 days. The rest of the days, I have uni, errands, I have other commitments. And yes, I am a student here in Melbourne. It's been 2 years, I guess. Almost 2 years na. Sa mga nagtatanong, easy bang life dito? No. As people say na, easy daw dito, madami daw pera. Yes, guys, madami pera, but madami din yung gastos. Grabe din yung gastusin. Cost of living. Mahal din yun. Don't mind that one. Kaya bagong ano lang yan, guys. Tubo. So, I got bored. Usually, yung mga vlogs ko are like for travel. I only do travel vlogs. And yesterday, I decided na mag-vlog ko for the entire week to show you paano ako. So, don't mind that because that's my life. My family knows that. And ang nagsuggest nito is kapatid ko. And I went, why not talk in your vlogs? Because you don't talk. Guys, that's my weakness. I don't know how to talk in front of the camera. I talk, but like weird stuff. It's not like the usual, you know. I don't know how to talk because no one's there, literally. Sunscreen. Hinap ako ng moisturize. I use La Roche-Posay. Paubos na siya, guys. Tomorrow, we might gala-gala. I don't know yet. Malalaman niyo na lang yan. And I hope hindi ko makalimutan mag-vlog. Sometimes I forget to vlog. Na mawala. Hirap pala nito, no? Distract ako sa pagte-take ng photos. If you follow me on Instagram, you know. To those who appreciate my Instagram, the way I do my stuff there. Thank you guys. This one, Tukas Papao. It's good for your lips, especially during winter. And it's currently winter here in Australia. Pangit ang winter dito, guys. Kalimutan ko na naman magtagalog. Pangit yung winter dito, guys, kasi nakaka-dry, tsaka nakakapag-breakout. Breakdown, nakaka-breakout. Tingnan nyo yan. That's my face. That's not aesthetic at all. Pero sige lang. Use this, guys. I highly recommend this one. Especially sa dry areas ng body nyo. I only do simple skincare. I tried doing before na nag-retinol ako, nag-something. Sorry, guys. Pero it doesn't suit me. Ewan ko, if baka wala lang talaga akong patience noon. Nag-retinol ba ako? Yung isa. Ewan ko, nakalimutan ko, guys. Basta yung isa. Nag-breakout ako. Nagpa-flake yung face ko. And maraming nagtatanong nito. This was from India. I bought this in India last year when I went to India. And that's it, I guess. I'd like to introduce myself. Mamta Wans Verma. I am from Ligo City in Mindanao, Philippines. My dad's Indian, Punjabi, and my mom's Filipino, Bisaya. And ako, mona na siya. Ako, yun na yun. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Dito pa lang, magsasabi na ako na thank you. Ang dami ko na sinabi dito and hindi ko alam kung anong ending nitong video. And I hope you'll enjoy. Thank you guys. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon na day. It's already 2 p.m. the 7th of July 2025 and today is Monday. So guys, today pupunta kami sa Dandenong Ranges. Dandenong Ranges is like pabundok na siya. Biglang sumakses picture. Bundok na siya. Ranges na. It's like 40 minutes away from Cranbourne. So for those who don't know guys, we live in Cranbourne. It's like 1 hour away from the city of Melbourne. Ferrari namin ngayon is first pupunta kami ng cafe. I'll show you the cafe. It's a cute cafe. Daw. It's a cute cafe daw. Nakita ko lang siya sa TikTok. And we're going there. So, grabe naman to. Grabe na talaga. Wait. So, balik tayo. Sorry guys, my only source is TikTok nowadays. And next, pupunta kami sa isang garden, which is free entry. Yes, free entry. So, see you there guys. I'll show you the cafe. We ordered iced mocha, hot latte, baked cheesecake, and peach sponge cake. Let's try the iced mocha. The ice cream. May chocolate pa na Lin. Kaya siguro mahal. So we paid $46 for this. 2 coffees, 2 cakes. Hindi ako nagbayad. Alam nyo kaninong mga favorite to? Caramel, mocha. Alam nyo, yung friend ko na si Franz. Always yan siya nag-order ng either mocha, caramel.
Head southwest towards Mount Dandenong Tourist Road.
Albert Nicholas Memorial Garden. I'm wearing heels. Such a bad idea to wear heels right now. And tingnan nyo naman yung view. Tingnan nyo yung view. Maglalakad ng ilang meters. And look at, this is my halat. Bakit dito tayo? Saan ba yung lake? Pupunta kami sa lake. Hindi namin alam saan. May guide naman, pero ang layo na, no? Bakit dito ba kami pupunta? Free daw kasi. I'll show you the view when we get there. So guys, ito na po yung lake. According to them, maganda daw to pag autumn. Kasi nagbo-bloom yung orange tree. So, yun lang po yung pinunta namin. Maganda dito guys. Maganda. It's just that hindi bagay yung heels ko dito. Let's go. So, bumaba na kami from the mountain, guys. Kasi wala kaming pala dun. Mali yung mga na-plan ko today, but it's okay. Hanap kami ng restaurant for dinner. So we're done with dinner, we're done with everything. Kakain lang kami ng dessert and I'll end my vlog here.
Ending.
I'm ending it. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed. And finally, nagsasalita na si Ma'am Tawins sa video. Thank you guys. So, kakain lang kami ng dessert and after that, uwi na kami. Have a nice. See you on my next one.